How to turn off sensitive content on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, in the Settings and Activity page, under the What You See tab, you will see the Content Preferences option. Tap on that and further tap on the Sensitive Content option, and now go ahead and select the Less option you see there, and with this, your account will feature less to zero sensitive content. So, this is how you can turn off sensitive content on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.